2006 Sea Ray 260 Sundancer, presented by Cast Off Yacht Sales. She's powered by a Mercruiser 350 Mag MPI, freshwater cooling. It's a navy blue hull. It's got air conditioning and heat. Flexi teak faux swim platform. Step on board. Nice L-shaped cockpit seating. Also has a filler cushion where the table goes to make it a nice large lounge. Off to the port, we've got our wet bar. Nice lounge seat off to the port side. To our starboard, helm seat with flip-up bolster. Garmin GPS depth sounder, VHF radio, equipped with SmartCraft gauges. She's got an anchor windlass, remote spotlight, only 300 hours on the engine. Take a step down below into the cabin. And a nice 110 12-volt refrigerator, microwave convection oven, single burner stove, with a nice wooden dinette table that goes in. Also a filler cushion to become a berth. Off to our starboard side, we have the head with vacuum flush and shower. Nice large spacious aft cabin. We have our cockpit cover and filler cushions back there right now. This is your 2006 Sea Ray 260 Sundancer, presented by Cast Off Yacht Sales.